Here is a wonderful 2023 Hyundai Santa Fe. Here's a stylish, family-friendly Hyundai Santa Fe. With bold, modern looks, standard infotainment, and the latest safety features. This spacious, versatile midsize crossover infuses every drive with comfort and confidence. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, panoramic roof, navigation system, heated driver's seat, keyless entry, backup camera, satellite radio, power passenger seat, premium sound system, heated mirrors. Comfort blends with versatility in bold, modern style in this striking Santa Fe. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.